The rise of aesthetic hobbies. Why everyone's embracing beauty in the everyday. In 2025, the line between productivity and pleasure is getting blurrier than ever. And nowhere is this more evident than in the rise of aesthetic hobbies. People aren't just baking or painting anymore. They're curating, sharing, and living their hobbies in visually appealing ways. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube have turned hobbies into lifestyle statements. From hand lettering to capsule wardrobe planning, the emphasis has shifted to how things look while still embracing the joy of doing. This trend has carved out a new space for those who value the process as much as the final result, where beauty, relaxation, and self-expression meet. One standout in this wave is the resurgence of journaling, but not the rushed, scribbled diaries of the past. Today's journals are immersive art projects. Calligraphy headers, pastel palettes, washi tape, and curated stickers turn each page into a visual diary that doubles as a creative outlet. Bullet journaling and mood tracking have exploded into personalized forms of expression that are as calming as they are productive. TikTok and YouTube are filled with flip-through videos of journal spreads, inspiring thousands to begin their own beautifully organized journey of self-documentation. Another hobby gaining momentum is slow crafting. This includes mindful knitting, crochet, and hand embroidery, activities that emphasize patience over perfection. These crafts provide a much-needed antidote to digital burnout. They've become meditative escapes in a fast-paced world, with aesthetics grounded in cozy, natural colors and textures. Online communities centered around cottagecore and handmade living amplify the appeal, turning small creative acts into moments of calm and beauty. Finished projects are often proudly photographed and shared, building a sense of accomplishment and community without pressure. Lastly, indoor gardening has blossomed into a mainstream passion. Houseplants are no longer just decor, they're a full-on lifestyle. Urban plant parents have filled small apartments with monstera, pothos, and rare Hoyas, tracking their growth like milestones. Beyond aesthetics, tending to plants offers therapeutic benefits and a daily dose of nature. Social media feeds are filled with lush green corners, propagation stations, and potting tips, making plant care both a creative and calming pursuit. As sustainability and wellness trends continue to rise, this hobby shows no signs of wilting.